Georgie, and this is my pronunciation project about vowel sounds. First, we have vowel A. It has two main variations. First, the vowel sound A and the vowel sound A. In the vowel sound A, we have cake, ate, and lake. Example, we ate a cake near the lake. And in A, we have cat, met, hat, sat. Example, my cat sat on the mat wearing a hat. And this one is a diphthong, and it's pronounced ow, like in cow and found. Example, I found a cow. In vowel E, it has two variations. First, E and E. In E, we have pet, get. Example, let's get a pet. And in E, we have read, meet, me, and tree. Example, meet me next to the tree to read. And this one is a mix of a vowel and a consonant, and it sounds like R. For example, her first work. This is her first work. In vowel I, it has two variations. It's E and I. In E, we have in, city, his, fit, quick. In his city, everyone is fit and quick. In I, we have sight, fine, time, eyes, and like. Examples, this sight is fine, and I like how ice melts by the time. In vowel O, we have this. The first one is long vowel sound. Lips are like yawning, like in hot, want, and lot. Example, I want a lot of hot water. And this one is the lips are like more rounded or more like in an oval shape. For example, fall, also. Example, also this fall includes low temperatures. And these are variations, are diphthongs. For example, O, post, go, note. Please send a note to the post office. And oi, like in avoid and noise. Try to avoid noise. And finally, in vowel U, we have two variations. This one is short vowel sound, and this one is the long vowel sound. In the short vowel sound, we have look, took, could, full, could. And in this one, we have cool, boot, soup, shoe, and pool. For example, could you take a look of my foot? And those boots are cool. Thank you very much.